how to change payment method in Spotify. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I'm here again with the Spotify series on how you can change payment method on Spotify. Now just open your Spotify account and you will be appeared to this homepage. Now tap on the profile icon and a drop down menu will be appeared, from which click on the account tab. Now you will be directed to your account section. Just scroll down and you will see the option Save Payment Cards. Click on it and here you can see the option Add Card. You can choose either credit card, debit card or PayPal as your valid payment option. Follow the on-screen process by filling up your personal information about your credit card or debit card, and after that just click on the save option and hence your Spotify payment method will be changed accordingly. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative for you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more contents like this. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned.